Hello everyone, if you want to improve your SEO, having multiple indexed pages is essential. A good starting point for that is around 300 pages. You can check your current status using Google Search Console for that. For businesses like HVAC services, categorize your offering into main pillars like heating, ventilation, air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical. Each category can have subcategories. This structure helps in creating specific and targeted pages. Location pages are crucial for local SEO. For example, a page titled Air Conditioning Services in Sydney can be duplicated with another location like Adelaide just by changing the area name. This method efficiently scales your content creation. Utilize tools like ChatGPT to automate content for these pages. You can even expand this to multiple locations by simply modifying the input list, significantly saving time compared to manual content creation. When setting up your Autoblogger, make sure to integrate internal linking and keyword placement strategically. This approach enhances page authority and boosts SEO. Remember, the key to scaling content is not just about the quantity, but also about maintaining quality. Use predefined template and automation to ensure consistency across all the pages. Always aim to create content that's both informative and relevant to your target audience. Regularly update and strategic use of SEO tools can help your business rank better and reach more potential customers. That's a quick overview of using Autoblogging and ChatGPT for SEO in 2024. Implement these strategies to enhance your online presence and achieve better search engine ranking.